We get the question a lot on how often should I oil my board, what type of oil should I use or shouldn't use. Basically, we have a highly refined mineral oil. It's FDA approved for food contact. It's clear, odorless, tasteless, and the important thing is it'll never get rancid. People ask, well, why not use olive oil and vegetable oil and corn oil, all sorts of oils that are on the market today. They can get rancid after a while. You can go to the expense of olive oil, but even olive oil will get a little gamey after you've used it for 6 or 8 months. And you just don't want to risk that. So you're best off using pure drugstore type mineral oil, and don't be afraid to apply it. When you apply it on the board, you can just pour it on, wipe it around with a cloth. The end grain's going to take more. The other thing is, if you're sealing it up with beeswax, we have pure hard beeswax, and you just take a hard block and rub it in the end grain to seal that. We have another little video that shows you how to do that. But I wanted to show you that you use a hard block because it works so much better. You can apply it easier, then you can rub it in. Just remember, you can never oil your board too much. You can oil it too little and it may separate, it may dry out. One of the things about hardwood is when it starts looking light in color, just really light in color, it needs oil. And usually it'll start showing up on your end grain first. So oil them when they start getting light colored. And then, as you notice on these, on the end grain, you can't over oil. You can pour this whole bottle on there within 15 minutes and it would all sink in right into that grain. But not a bad idea just to really soak them up. See how fast that evaporates? Just goes right in, and it takes a lot of wood. But on the other hand, on the end grain, you can take, this is a razor blade, you can take and you can cut across that end grain for a year, and you can hardly see the scratches on it. If you ever raise any of the grain, you can just take that razor blade and scrape it down. Nice and smooth again. So same thing with on your other boards, your other grain boards. If you go across the grain, yeah, you're going to get scratches, but it's hardwood, not going to chip or splinter on you. But if you get the bugging you a little bit, or if it's too much water on it, just take that razor blade and scrape them down.